It is important to us that we present ourselves as professionals so that our readers take our information seriously. And we want our readers to understand that our motives and our goals are truly selfless. As far as our organizational pattern, we chose a general to specific approach so that we can present general information first and followed by facts and figures to zone into the focus. As far as our headings and titles are concerned, we wanted to make sure that they remain informative and precise so that our readers would not be confused while reading the information. Examples are Cleveland has a lead poisoning problem. What does Flint, Michigan and Cleveland, Ohio have in common? And lead in our water equals lead in our children.